Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a zoom effect on CapCut. Okay, here I have created a project on my CapCut, and instead of using the video effect to create a zoom effect, I'm going to use the keyframe. I'm going to add keyframe to create zoom effect. So first of all, we can tap on the video, and for the first keyframe, I'm going to place it right here. Tap on this keyframe button, and for the second keyframe, I'm going to place it at the end of the video. Tap on this keyframe button, and since we want to create a zoom effect, we can zoom the video like this. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to play the video to show you the final result. Okay, and this is the result, guys. And that's so easy, right? Alright guys, and that's how we can create a zoom effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.